What's up, fathers? It's your brother CJ. Welcome to the Divorce and Custody channel for men. Today, let's talk about child pickup orders. Now, a child pickup order is something that the judge issues when a spouse or a wife removes the children from the marital home between the time that you file for divorce to the time that a final decree is signed, because one of the spouses has decided that she's going to move out of the city or out of the state without consulting the other, because she has believed that the children are hers or her possession. Now, typically what happens is that the wife wants to have court advantage by having the kids in her house, in her possession, so that the courts can just decide that she can keep the children because she will keep them during the time of the divorce. But the divorce procedures may take about a year, 2 years, 3 years. So if you don't take action, then the judge can just decide that, whatever you have is working, so she can just stay with the kids, which is why you have to take quick action and secure a child pickup order from the judge. Now, when it happens, you will be in shock, because she will move the kids at a time that you least expected. Then she will also cut off all communication, and at this time what she will be pushing is a narrative that you are dangerous and that you are a danger to her and the kids. And so the kids will go from dealing with you on a daily basis to not hearing from you again for months. And what she will say is the justification is that you are a dangerous person. Now, in some cases, what she will be doing is brainwashing the kids into believing that you don't care about them anymore, because they'll notice that you don't talk to them or call them anymore, not understanding what's really happening because it's being caused by her. So now the children have been removed illegally. As a father, how do you respond? Well, first of all, call the police and make a police report. And what's going to happen is they're going to tell you that it's a civil law issue and that they can't get involved. And because she's the mother, she has as much a right to have the kids as you do. But what you want to do is make sure that you have a paper trail of what's happening that is recorded through the police. So report it to the police anyway. Now, here's the thing that you must not do as a father. Do not, I repeat, do not go and pick up the children yourself without a child pickup order on the assumption that the police will say that it's a civil case and that you can have as much a right to have the children as she does, because when you do it, it may be considered kidnapping from the same police who let her go. So first, have the judge issue a child pickup order. The child pickup order will say that the children must be picked up or returned within a certain number of days, within maybe 14 to 28 days. If you choose to, you can actually go to the state or city where she is. Then make sure that you call the police or a peace officer for a child exchange or a child custody exchange. Make sure that you have a peace officer there. That way, no one will accuse you of doing anything that may be deemed dangerous, because if that happens and if she accuses you of doing something, she can also put a restraining order on you and also create a new problem for you while you're over there. Now, if you choose to wait for her to bring the children within the time specified by the judge, you also make sure that from the time that she says she's coming to the time that she arrives, you have a peace officer waiting to make sure that the exchange is a peaceful one. Again, you're just really protecting your word against hers so that you can make sure that she doesn't file any false charges against you, because if she does, it will show up in the court and it may work against you. Now, if you're going through this, I'm sorry to hear that, bro, but I want you to know that this method is actually effective. If you do a child pickup order, it will work in your favor and the kids will be returned back to you. So guys, let me know if this helped you in any way. If this has helped you, hit like and subscribe and share it with any fathers that need to hear this information. As always, I have an ebook, The 10 Things That Your Lawyer Won't Tell You About Divorce and Custody, and this is definitely one of those things. So secure that ebook right here at this link. As always, if you want a one-on-one meeting with me, set it up on my calendar right here at this link as well. As always, it's CYA. Cover your assets.